Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know what you're thinking, why are you making this video? You should be in school. Well, since my school is super paranoid about the coronavirus, I'm staying home. Actually, all my classmates stayed home and teachers. And since when I asked you guys which ones of the Primal attack figures I got, you wanted to see me review, the Carnotaurus got the most votes, so... Well, actually, it was the only vote that was specified, so... Yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing it. So let me just use my mom's totally safe kitchen scissors. Hopefully she won't be too upset that I use these. Come on. It's... Okay, guys, this might take a little while. Get off. Okay, that obviously wasn't supposed to happen. Oh. Are you kidding me? Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there's that. Oh, my stepdad just texted me. So here's the Carnotaurus. It was obviously one of the more hyped dinosaurs to be seen in Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Now, I absolutely adore this figure. It looks pretty realistic to how it did in the movie. Well, the one that Rexy sort of murdered and then left for dead on Isla Nublar. It's electronic, so let's see what kind of noises it makes. Okay, so far so good. Those two were, I think, original sound effects. Neither of them sound like how the Carnotaur sounded in the film, so let's see what else. That one sounded kind of weird. Okay, that's 5. What else is there? 6. Seven. Okay, I think it was only 7. So, color-wise, I think this figure looks pretty good. Brown on top, orange, gray on the bottom. Yellow eyes. This might be the first time I've gotten a figure where the eyes are just spot on. Other eye looks kind of the same. Let's see the features. Okay. Shut up. Apparently you can activate the sound by using the legs. Can't really walk, though. I don't want to break this thing. Also, the feet swivel. I don't know. The feet can turn. I don't really see the point in that. I don't think Mattel really needed to do that. Also, you can move its head. Do you want to go back in the box? No, not the box. Well, you were a pain in the neck to get out, so I'm thinking about it. Let's see what kind of poses it's got. So here's the normal pose. This is what it'd be like if it was like trying to eat a lawyer on the toilet or something. Yes, I made a Jurassic Park reference. This one... stop it. This is the third pose. And the arms. I absolutely hate the arms on this dinosaur. Just look at them. They're just little wrists. Tiny wrists. I know the T-Rex had short... If you thought the T-Rex had short arms, you haven't seen anything yet. Look at these. Oh my goodness. I don't know why it has short arms. T-Rex arms are bigger than this. And T-Rex arms are a little bit bigger than mine. But yeah, I do not like the arms on this dinosaur at all. And it has a pink tongue. A dinosaur with an actual pink tongue from Mattel. Obviously, like I said before, Carnotaurus was super hyped for Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Probably its most famous appearance, well, outside the film, is... Okay, that was a spring. Is the Michael Crichton novel where you can act during the camouflaging Carno scene. Also on the bottom, there's the scan thing for the Mattel app. Yeah, this is a pretty good figure. Apart from the arms, which I absolutely hate. Apart from the arms, I'd say this is a really good figure. I highly recommend you buy it. So, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, hit that bell icon so you never miss any more of my videos. Go subscribe to other awesome channels, Dinosaur Discovery, Leo the Tyrannus, Professor Latex, one of my friends. Funny name, I know. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, take care.